Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Okay, so last 2 weeks I just focused on 7 kinds of the Bhava groups. These 7 kinds of Bhava groups, and now I repeat again because it is really important. Now we will see again. Okay, now 7 kinds of the Bhava groups. Bhuvadi group are Rudhadi group, Negita are. Diwadi group is Ya. Swadi group is Nuna, Una. Kiyadi group is Na. Tanadi group is O, Yira. Churadi group is A and the Ya. Okay, now you have already known these 7 kinds of Bhava groups. Now I want you to look at lesson number 2. I want you to look at. Now in the lesson number 2, now you have already seen, I have already explained Kinadi. Now do you see Kinadi? Page number 5. No? Kinadi. So what is the root of the Kinadi? Ki. The root is ki. The conjugational sign is na. No? Na is conjugational sign. There is a kiyari group. So dantana change into the lingua na. Now, the D's. Okay, here. So if you make a verb with the D's,
recording in progress.
That is a Churadi group. No? Because of A and Ya, if there is the vowel EE in the root, that E change into the A. So if you see, U, in the root it change into the O. If you see A in the root, it change into the A. If you see the EE in the root, that EE change into the A because of this 2 suffix, Churadi group suffix. Because of Churadi group suffix, if you see the EE in the root, that EE change into the A. If you see UU change into the O. If you see the A change into the A. In this way we have Deseti, Desayati. So what is the meaning of Deseti, Desayati? expounds. Okay, that is a Chudari group. Now the next one is a page number 6. Now the first paragraph, you can see the karoti. Karoti is, the root is kar. Karoti, Tanari group. In the Tanari group, where two suffixes O and the Jira. So you have to conjugate like a karoti, karonti. So the karo is base. A is dropped. You will have karonti. Karoti, karondi, karosi, karota, karomi, karoma. Okay, look at the exercise. The first one is bapunadi. So for the Babu Nadi, you have to divide pa and the prefix up is root. The conjugation sign is una. So una is a Swari group. These two are, you can combine like a pa. So here the question is, what is the meaning of the ba up? To reach. Some rules are now you can see together with the prefix. To attain. Or to reach. And so, pa up. The root is pa up. Prefix is pa. Now the next one is jinadi. The conjugation sign is na. What kind of Baba group? Kiyari group. Now okay, you can open now your microphone now. G is the root. The conjugation sign is na. Na is Kiyari group. Now we have jinadi. No Swati group, Kiyari group. No? Now this su and the na. Now originally this na with the lingual, with the dot. The Swati group. Now you will see, the different rules with the different conjugation signs. Now the next one is nya. So nya change into the ja. We have janadi, Kiyari group. This Swati group will be, this su belong to the na. So for example, if you want to do, if you do like a If you do like that, it is wrong. Su is belong to the Swadik group. For example, similarly, G also belong to the Kiyati group. They have their own conjugation signs. Janadi. Now the next one is Choriti. Chur and the A. This U change into the O because of Churari suffix. If you join to the Churari suffix, and then because of Churari suffix, if there is U, this U change into the O. We have Choriti, steers. Now, Chadeti. So, Bhavedi later I will explain. These are also changed into the A. Chadeti is covers up. Okay, Tanodi, ten, spread. So the last one is Papoti. Now later I will explain to you. Okay, now before you study this new words, now at first I want to tell you the meaning. Papunadi means approach or attains. Jinadi, to conquer or to win or to defeat. Sunadi, to hear or to listen to. Janadi, to know, knows. Jinadi, collects or piles or heaps up. Choriti is steers. Bhavedi develops. Chariti covers up. Tanodi spreads. Papodi approach. So together right pronunciation, please repeat after me. So Papunadi. Jinadi. Sunadi. Janadi. Jinadi. Choriti. Bhavedi. Chadedi. Tanodi. Papodi. Okay, I wanted to say yourself. Papunadi. Janadi. No, there is a no. Janadi. Janadi. Janadi knows. Janadi. Okay. So Papunadi approach or attain. So now the meanings. So now you have now. Now I wanted to study this new meanings now. I will give you the 5 minutes. ဒီကောင်ဖြတ်လိုက်တော့ရတယ် Okay, now the time's up. Now I think you studied these words. Now according to your number, according to the line which appeared in the Zoom, I will ask. So at first, Paunya Chari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now don't look at the book. So what is the meaning of the Papunadi? Approach. And then attains. If someone attains the Megaphala Jnana, Nibbana is also we use in the Bali Papunadi. Okay, now the next student, Saddhamma. Saddhamma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Janadi.
Chanati to nose.
Janati means nose, not to know. Okay.
Nose.
Okay. Only one word. Okay, now the next one. Suddhammachari. Bhavedi. Now you hear me, the Suddhammachari. Okay, Jnadi. Jnadi. You hear me? Jnadi. Okay. Concurs. Now the next student, Jnadi. So we Nida Jeta. Jnadi. Jnadi means collects, no? To collect, piles up or heaps up. If you pick up the flowers in the Bali, we use this verb, Jnadi. So, Bopani Jine Doa. For example, like a Bopani Jnadi, he picks up the flowers, Jnadi. Okay. Now the next one, Satyanandi. Chadedi. Chadedi. Satyanandi. Now, so she.
Yes, sir. I think she cannot.
She cannot hear, no?
Yes.
Maybe connection now good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next student is Nanda.
Yes, sir.
To hear.
Sunati.
Okay, to hear Sunadi. Okay, to spread. To spread. The Nordic, okay. To know, to know.
ชานาติ
Janadi, okay.
ชานาติ
Now the next student, Sucheta. Papodi,
อัปโปติhe approached
okay. Okay, so Pabunadi,
ปาปุนาติ he approached he attained
okay, okay. Now Damanandi, to collect,
ชีนาติ
to conquer,
sorry
to win or to conquer. To win, to defeat. Jinadi, no? Jinadi. The root of the Jinadi is a Ji. So one of the names of the Buddha is the Jina. No? Jina is the name of the Buddha. The Buddha is also called Jina, the one who conquers. Okay, now the next student, the Sujata.
bây giờ là
Choriti,
Choriti steals
Janadi.
Janati knows he knows
Okay. Tanodi,
the know he develops right
he spreads. No?
spread he is spreads
Okay, now the next Panyajari. Nisidati. Sari Panyajari, Nisidati. Sally, you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
I be at the Panyajari, Panajari.
dạ có bên nhà trẻ gì đó mà con không thấy trong
Okay, Uttama. Okay, Uttama it is.
it's me
Hmm?
yeah it's me with the one
Okay. So now I'm asking you. Nisidati.
yeah pardon
Nisidati.
Missy the T stick
Sit.
six
Okay. But don't send the message. Okay.
dạ thầy đang nói là quý vị cần phải tự trả lời chứ đừng có nhà trả lời người khác là đừng có nhắc bài
Okay.
các vị ngay tại nhà.
So Abba Gachati. In the previous lessons. No?
Yeah, the previous lesson.
Okay, now you study again. Now the next student, mega body,
Yes, I'm here, Senora.
Janadi,
Janati. Janati.
Sunadi. If you don't remember this word, I will give you another one.
Sunati does mean here.
Okay, Sunadi here. Okay. Now the next student, Medika, Chaditi,
Charity covers up.
to go away.
To go away. Apalachati.
Okay. To get up.
To get up.
Uttithati.
Uttitati or uttahati.
Uttahati.
Okay. To sit down.
To sit down, Nisidati.
Okay, you have to know the words in the previous lesson also. Now the next student is the Sama.
Yes, Sayadaw.
Papunadi.
Papunati. One second. Papunat, approach, attends.
Approach or attains. Okay, now here I want to tell you one thing. When I gave you the Pali name, your name is Sama, you know. So in Pali English dictionaries, the meaning is dark, you know, black. But actually, that is not true meaning. The true meaning is a golden complexion.
Golden complex.
Yes, in the original suttas, the Pali literature, we use Sama in the meaning of golden complexion, golden skin, you know. For the dark complexion, it is, you know, given by some other Pali English dictionaries. In the original text, it is not like this.
Thank you, Sayadaw.
Okay. So, Kantichari.
Yes, Sayadaw.
To collect.
Charity.
To collect is chaditi. Okay. Now, Jayanta.
Sorry, can you speak again?
No, Jayanta.
Hi, Sarah.
Okay. Papoti.
Approach.
Approach. Papoti and the Papunadi, they have the same meaning. Okay. So now, until now, you are learning the lesson, only lesson 2. So when we learn these Pali lessons, at first I want to explain to you, we try to understand grammatical rules. I mean the construction of the words. That is the first point we're trying to understand. The second point is we're trying to remember Pali words. We need to increase our vocabulary. Even though you know the word formation, construction of the words, even though you know Pali grammatical rules, but if you don't know the meaning of the Pali word, you cannot use this Pali word. Even if you read original text, you can understand. So now, until lesson number 2, now you are learning the Pali roots, the conjugational signs of the verb groups. So Pali language construction is different from the modern languages. If you want to be skillful at the Pali language, you need to know Pali roots. In the Pali roots are thousands of Pali roots. But you don't need to know thousands of Pali rules. I think if you know maybe 200 rules, I think it is enough. So from one root, by knowing the one root, you can extend many vocabularies, many words. Like if you know one root, and you can have the 10 Pali words or maybe 20 Pali words. To know one root, but you can know 10 or 20 or maybe 30 Pali words. Just to know the one root makes you to understand many Pali words. That is the way Pali grammar is constructed. That is why we are learning these Pali rules and the meaning of those rules. Now the other point what I want to say is, so every language that you learn, for example, you have already learned English. For the English language to speak with the people or to communicate with the people, you need to have at least 1,500 words. 1,500 vocabulary. If you don't have such a number of English vocabulary, you cannot communicate with the people. Okay, if you want to read some low-level English story books or novels, you need to have maybe 3,000 to 5,000 English words. If you want to write down, thesis, dissertations, you need to have at least 10,000 English vocabularies. Otherwise, you cannot write a thesis, you cannot write the dissertations. So similarly, in the Pali also, we need to have basic Pali vocabularies. Like you study those Pali words, those Pali grammar, at the same time, you have to know Pali vocabulary also. So, like now you are learning the Pali grammar. If someone asks you, how do you call in the Pali? Someone is going. I don't know. Now I just study the Pali. If someone asks you, how do you say in the Pali, I eat? I don't know. Now you are studying the Pali, class. You take a lot of time. You don't know anything. So if some people, they may say like this. Now, if you study, this language, you have to be absorbed completely into that language. You think of yourself, you are the one who speaks Pali language. At that time, you forget yourself and you are Vietnamese, forget. You are now the one who speaks Pali language. You are trying to speak Pali language. You are trying to understand Pali literature. That is why now I ask you such a questions to increase your Pali vocabularies. In this way, you can slowly communicate with the people with the Pali language, that you can understand slowly original text. Okay, if you don't remember higher Pali words, it is okay. But you need to know basic Pali vocabulary, like a sit, stand, go in, come in, lying down, knowing, attaining, eating, drinking, something like that. These basic Pali words, you should know that. In this way, that later you will know that is very beneficial for you. So we are trying to remember Pali words. At the same time, we are trying to understand grammatical construction also. Slowly, if you do like this, I think it is not that difficult. Okay, so now you are learning 2 lessons. You have to remember the Pali was in the previous lessons also. Now we are learning the Pali not just for not just for fun. I believe you have also such an ambition to read, to understand, to know the Buddha's words in the original language. So that is why you try slowly, try to remember slowly. I know it is not easy for you. That is why now I ask you the questions. In this way, the other students also hear Pali words. In this way, we can absorb by hearing, by listening. Now, when I ask the different students the Pali questions, in this way, the other students also heard, that is gachati, agachati, abagachati. That is also one of the conditions that you can absorb directly into your brain. But the other point is, by asking you the questions, now you are more aware of that word because you are asked. If you don't ask, sometimes we overlooked. We easily overlooked. That is why I ask you, now you also interactive. I ask you and then you answer me in this way. These Pali words, we will not forget them. That is why we have to make effort. As a teacher also, I make a lot of effort. You students also make effort because we are studying this language by the Saddha, believe in Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. That is a sacred and noble language. But we, try hard, we try, and then, finally, you will be successful. I believe completely. Okay, now the next student, Dhamma Vaija.
Yes, I don't know.
Janati.
To know.
Okay. Sayali Gunawati.
Salad. Okay, next one.
Gunawati. Okay. Now, okay.
Uh,
Okay, now the question is Bhavati.
Poverty.
Gunawati. Sayali Gunawati. You hear me, Sayali? You don't remember, or your microphone have problem? Okay, Bhavati means develops. Okay, now we come to know these Pali words. At the same time, you practice again for the previous lessons. Now, so for example, Papunadi also, you can say he reached. How do you say in the Bali? So Papunadi. Now we can conjugate with the present tense. Papunadi, Papunandi, Papunasi, Papunatha, Papunami, Papunama. So in this way you can make the conjugation. So Papunadi, Te Papunandi, Tvam Papunasi, Tome, Papunata, Aham, Papunami, Mayam, Papunama. Together with the meanings. Okay, now Sajanandi, I wanted to conjugate that Papunadi with the different subjects. So Papunadi.
So Babunati. Te Babunati.
Okay, how do you translate So Papunadi?
Just say the dog. So Babunati. He across.
Okay.
Attains.
Okay, Te Papunandi. Carry on.
Te Babunati. They approach. They attend.
Okay, carry on. Second person. Second person.
Tovam Babuna. See. You approach. Tumhe Babuna Ha. You approach. Aha Babuna Mi. I approach. Mayam Babuna Ma. We approach.
Okay, approach and then attain. So in the Bali literature, Papunadi is used if you attain Nibbana. If you attain Meganyana, at that time we use Papunadi. So Nibbana and Papunadi, he attains Nibbana. For example, later you can write Pali sentences. Okay, Jinadi also the same. Jinadi, Jinandi, Jinasi, Jinata, Jinami, Jinama. Okay, Saddhamma, I wanted to conjugate this Jinadi with the three persons. So Jinadi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
China
Yes.
Is to win or is to win.
Okay.
Or to conquer. So China te China
Tuam Jinasi.
Tuam China si Tumhe China ka Aham China mi Mayam China ma.
Okay. Now we will say, because Bali is a new language to you, to recite fluently, you have to recite again and again. So in Myanmar, like we teach the novices the Bali, at that time they read, they recite the whole day. In this way, their Bali pronunciation is very fluent. So just one time reading or reciting, it is, sometimes it's difficult to pronounce. Like Jinadi, Jinandi, Jinasi, Jinata, you have to recite very fast later. Jinadi, Jinandi, Jinasi, Jinata, Jinami, Jinama, and so on, You have to say like this: Babu Nadi, Babu Nandi, Babu Nasi, Babu Nata, Babu Nami, Babu Nama. What I mean is, if you say again and again later, your pronunciation will be fluent, fast. Similarly, sunati also. Sunati, sunandi, sunasi, sunata, sunami, sunama. So for example, if you want to say, I am listening, I am hearing, how do you say in the Bali? I am listening,
Aham tsunami.
aham tsunami. Okay. They know. They know.
Tê chan là ít. Tê chan là ít.
Te janandi.
Tejanandi.
Okay.
Tejanandi.
He develops.
He develops. Tovaveti.
So bhavati. Okay. He is going away.
He's always so apagachati.
Okay.
Apagachati.
I am standing up.
Then
Aham uthami. Okay. They are standing. Te taithandi. Okay. Now you look at the exercise. Actually, exercise will be easy for you in the lesson number 2. Translate into English, find out the basis, like look at page number 6, Janami, do you see now? Janami in the book. How do you translate? I know. Jinata. How do you translate? You conquer. Chadendi. Sunandi. Tanoma. We spread. Bawimi. Chadesi. Jorita. You steal. Papondi. No, they approach, they attain. Chinami. I collect. Okay. Now translate into Bali. I conquer. Okay. They are approaching. Te papondi or te papunandi. We do develop. Okay. They are stealing. Okay. I do cover up. You collect. Tuam chi na si, or maybe don't me chi na ta. We are hearing. They are running. They are running. Te Dawindi. Okay. I sit down. Han Nisi Dami. They lie down. Okay, so next week we are going to learn lesson number 3. So at the same time, don't forget to study again lesson number 1 and 2. Pali language study is interconnected to each other. Now we are free from the lesson number 1 or we are free from the lesson number 2. And now it is okay to study lesson number 3. Don't think about like this. If you don't remember 1, 2 lessons, you will not understand lesson number 3 also. They are connected to each other. Okay, now we stop the class by reciting Sadhu 3 times. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.